Hi folks, my name's John Q. On behalf of Ray White, Remuera, Mega Jeffy, and Team John Q, it's such a privilege to welcome you to this magnificent home here in 79 Celtic Crescent in Ellerslie.
From the street, it is clear that a lot of thought and attention has been paid in extending and renovating this home into a very family-friendly property it is today. On a generous site of 607 square meters, this is an ideal spot for young families. Open plan and absolutely flooded with natural light, this home is fit for entertaining and also for robust family living. A well-designed layout centers on the kitchen as the hub, with the island configuration anchoring food and conversation. Spread out and enjoy the fabulous deck and lawn area, nicely presented and easy to maintain, and beaconing the enjoyment of children and pets. With 3 bedrooms in all, the master has some added design features to really emphasize this feeling of haven and retreat, away from the hustle and bustle of busy lifestyles. So easy to enjoy and so close to many amenities of the area. You will want to come and see this beautiful home for yourself. We look forward to showing it with you at our open homes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.